Welcome guys, I am Ashutosh Mahajan. Today, we'll break down the key highlights from India's 2024 budget announcement in 7 chapters. Let's dive into the important changes and what they mean for you. Chapter 1. Income Tax Revisions. Our Finance Minister announced 2 significant changes for those opting for the new tax regime. The standard deduction for salaried employees will increase from 50,000 to 75,000. The deduction on family pensions for pensioners will go up from 15,000 to 25,000. These changes will provide relief to about 4 crore salaried individuals and pensioners. The new tax rate structure is up to 3 lakh, no tax, or 3 lakh to 7 lakh, 5% tax, 7 lakh to 10 lakh, 10% tax, 10 lakh to 12 lakh, 15% tax, 12 lakh to 15 lakh, 20% tax, above 15 lakh, 30% tax. A salaried employee in the new tax regime can save up to 17,500 in income tax. Chapter 2. Capital Gains Tax Simplified. Many people were shocked by the changes in capital gains tax in this year's budget. Let's break down what's new and how it compares to the previous rates. Short-term capital gains. Previously, short-term gains on certain financial assets like stocks held for less than a year were taxed at 15%. Now, these gains will be taxed at 20%. This increase caught many by surprise, as it raises the tax burden on short-term investors. Long-term capital gains. For assets held for more than a year, previous tax rate was 10% on gains exceeding 1 lakh per year. The new rate is now 12.5% for all long-term gains, regardless of the asset type. This aims to simplify the tax structure, but also means a higher tax rate for long-term investors. Exemption Limit. The exemption limit on capital gains for certain financial assets has been increased from 1 lakh to 1.25 lakh per year. This provides slight relief by allowing more gains to be exempt from tax. These changes aim to simplify the capital gains tax structure, but result in higher tax rates, which many did not anticipate. Chapter 3. Employment Schemes. The government has introduced 3 schemes to boost employment. 1. First-timers. New employees in formal sectors will get a direct transfer of their first month's salary in 3 parts, with a maximum of Mahajan of 15,000. This helps new workers as they start their jobs. 2. Job creation in manufacturing. This scheme incentivizes additional employment in the manufacturing sector. First-time employees. Both the employee and employer will receive incentives related to EPFO contributions for the first 4 years. This scheme is expected to benefit 30 lakh youth and their employers. 3. Support to employers. This scheme covers additional employment in all sectors. The government will reimburse up to 3,000 per month for 2 years towards the EPFO contribution for each additional employee with a salary up to 1 lakh per month. This scheme aims to incentivize additional employment of 50 lakh people. Chapter 4. Investments in Infrastructure. New airports, medical colleges, and sports infrastructure will be constructed in Bihar. Additional allocation to support capital investments will be provided, and the requests of the Bihar government for external assistance from multilateral development banks will be expedited. Chapter 5. Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act. Government is committed to fulfilling the commitments in the Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act. Recognizing the state's need for capital, special financial support through multilateral development agencies will be facilitated. In the current financial year, 15,000 crore will be arranged with additional amounts in future years. The government is also committed to financing an early completion of the POEM irrigation project, which is vital for Andhra Pradesh and its farmers. Chapter 6. Boost to mobile industry. With a significant increase in domestic production and exports of mobile phones over the last 6 years, the Indian mobile industry has matured. Finance Minister proposed reducing the basic customs duty (BCD) on mobile phones, mobile PCBA, and mobile chargers to 15%. Chapter 7. Customs Duties on Precious Metals. To enhance domestic value addition in gold and precious metal jewelry, customs duties on gold and silver will be reduced to 6%, and that of platinum to 6.4%. That's a quick overview of the key highlights from the Budget 2024 announcement. Understanding these changes is crucial for making informed financial decisions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. It's free for you, but helps us a lot. Stay informed, stay ahead.